Okay, I've got her installed. She's got about half the pressure as this one. This is well made. I'll tell you what, Marlin has got their stuff together. And like I said, be very careful with that screw. You screw that, strip that head, you're messed up for a long time. But anyway, my 3030 is ready to go. The 336. I hate that I can't use this stainless steel because it's so shiny. But I had to protect I might even change this one to again because prices was. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but it's good to go. It's the what's it called? The flyweight. They come in different. Anyway, I'll take a quick shot of it when it's done. I'll put it back together. Maybe it works. See ya.